Hey guys, happy February 1st. It is February 1st. I took a few days off of daily vlogging because I've been going in and out of possibly getting sick and working and prepping for stuff, so I figured let me take the last couple of days off in January and then start again fresh and anew for February. Looney's being a good girl today. Look at this pretty nugget. You're such a pretty nugget. And now I just had a snack, and I am starting a crock pot dinner right here. I'm like cooking orange chicken in the crock pot. And yeah, when Ian gets home in a little while, I'm gonna run some errands. But for right now, I'm just gonna work on stuff around the house. It's a lazy day, but not really, because I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm just kind of like taking my time with it. But yeah, so back at it. Hey Loon, can I come lay with you? Can I lay with you? Can I cuddle? Come cuddle with me. She's like, no, I'm comfortable here. Oh my gosh, you guys. I feel like I'm still like getting sick. Like it's like a slow process, because unless I'm already sick and this is just like a weird like sickness, I've just felt so drained for the past couple of days, and my throat's kind of hurting, but not really. Like it's very itchy, and like I don't know, I have no drive. I don't know, it's just I'm so sleepy. I think I'm gonna take a nap for like an hour, which honestly will be the first time that I've taken a nap since October, like since I got laid off. Like I haven't taken a nap. That's weird. Like I really haven't. So this will be the first nap that I'm taking, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take an hour nap because I'm so tired, and I still have to go to Target, and I need to go to Ulta, and Ian and I have to do some stuff when he gets home, which he should be home in like an hour and a half. So I figure I'll just nap until he gets home, and then we'll go run our errands. So Loon, she just turned around and like laid like this. I love you. I love you so much. You're literally the best puppy. Yes, you. I'm talking about you. You're the best puppy. You, yes. Who's the best? Looney's the best. Let's take a nap, girl. So I didn't even tell you guys, but I'm actually making dinner in the crock pot, like you do. Check it out. So I'm doing pulled chicken, but with like orange chicken sauce that I got from Lucky's. And I'm gonna put it over top of, oh my god. Well, me. I'm putting it over top of like this veggie medley and like these things, vegetables. So yeah, Ian's on his way home now. And then we're gonna run some errands, and Luna's being a cute still. Netflix, please stop. Just keep playing. Like, I wish there was an option on Netflix where you can just say, yes, I'm still watching, continue. I'm gonna surprise Luna. Tell her. I'm gonna tell Luna that Daddy is almost here. Look at that girl. Luna, guess what? Daddy's gonna be here in a second. Did you know that? Daddy's gonna be here in a second. Yeah, Daddy. He's gonna be here soon. Easily. You wanna greet him? Very. Should we greet him? Mark is pretty cool. Who's home? Is Daddy home? You better go get him. You better go get him.